Hello guys, welcome to another weekly vlog. I am back home. It's my first day kind of like back at home working since my trip last week. I haven't got any plans today apart from work hard. I've got so much stuff I need to do, like so much life admin, so much like work, accounting, expenses. Oh, my list is so long, so I'm planning to do as much of that as I can today, and then I will spend tomorrow filming and stuff. I'm also having a no makeup day because I've been wearing makeup every day for the past like 2 weeks. I haven't had a break, so today is the day I'm letting my skin breathe. It's like 12 o'clock. I'm gonna go and do my food shop now. I have no food in the house because obviously I was away last week, so I am in desperate need of filling my fridge, so I'm going to do that. I've written up a list. I've just noticed that my favourite plant is like practically dead. That is a very sad sight. She's pretty much all dead. Can we revive her? I think so. I'm going to water her now. That would be really sad if she died. Yes, I'm going to go do my food shop and then I will show you what I've got. I haven't really mentioned this, but at the beginning of the year I started doing a little bit of a diet and then I stopped. Went on holiday to Florida in February, and then after I came back I kind of fell off the bandwagon, but I want to get back on it now because I'm feeling a bit meh about my body. I want to look nice for the summer and I want to feel good for my birthday, which is in August, so I'm going to be back on the healthy bandwagon going forward. Today is like a fast day. If you'd like me to talk more about what diet I'm doing and stuff like that and how I've seen my body change, maybe let me know. Back from the food shop, I feel like I've either got a cold or my hay fever's really starting to come out. I feel like so bunged up and gross. I'm going to show you what I got in my food shop today. I've decided to be mainly pescatarian at home this week, trying to like cut out meat. I did get one bit of meat, but that's not for this week, it's going to be for next. I got 2 of my favourite milk, the Oatly Barista. I got some sugar because my sugar jar is currently empty. Coriander, celery as snacks, reduced fat hummus. I got some king prawns because I'm going to do my favourite quick low calorie king prawn dinner tonight. I also decided that I wanted to make some fish with rice this week for dinner, and I decided to go for smoked peri-peri mackerel. I normally get salmon as my like go-to fish, but this looked good. Haven't tried it before. It wasn't that expensive, so yeah, I'm gonna give that a go. Don't know, it's probably gonna stink the house up. I got a red onion, some carrots also as a snack for the hummus. Got some sweet peppers, some peanut butter. I haven't had peanut butter at home in so long. I don't know why. It's just one thing missing from my cupboard, so picked that up. Mexican chili bean soup. I got some broccoli, some breadsticks also for the hummus. I've been craving these. I probably haven't had these in about 10 years, but I've been craving them. Golden nuggets. Does anyone remember them? I'm hoping they'll be just as delicious as I remember. I got some eggs. I got some bleach, I got some chorizo, so this is the only bit of meat that I got and it's for next week. I kind of want to try and make a chorizo pasta or something again, so we'll try that. And then I also got some loo roll and picked up a free Tesco magazine for some more meal inspiration. It's nearly 1 o'clock, so I might actually have another cup of tea, and then in a while I'll make that soup for my lunch whilst I get on with lots of work mode now. Come on, Katie. Very unattractive, but this is my soup. I've just added some coriander on top. It is 8 o'clock. I've literally been at my desk until like half an hour ago doing my expenses. I want to get my tax return done as soon as possible this year so I can have a meeting about potential mortgage, so been working on that today. I've just made some dinner though. The biggest bowl of prawns, couscous and veg. Gonna add some hot sauce. I tried to get this same one in Tesco today, but they didn't have it, so I'm gonna have to look somewhere else. They only had a chipotle one. Not sure what that is. Didn't want to try it. So I'm gonna eat this whilst I watch some Netflix. I've just started a new series called Safe. Hello guys, it's Saturday today. I feel like I haven't vlogged in a really long time. I just needed some days off from vlogging. This week has been a little bit shit, but I'm not going to talk about any of that. I am on the sofa watching the royal wedding. I think we've got like half an hour to go till the ceremony. I cannot wait to see Meghan's dress. We just got a glimpse of it, but I'm really excited. I think it looks off the shoulder, but maybe I'll do my first reaction to the royal wedding dress. Yeah, I've just been sat on the sofa this morning, did my makeup on the sofa with some biscuits, hobnobs, Fox's Viennese, oh they're so good, and a cup of tea. I did wash my hair this morning as well, it's still a little bit wet. But this weekend is my dad's birthday, so we've got some really nice plans, and I thought I'd vlog the entire weekend. I'm not meeting my parents till a bit later, I think around 5, and my dad doesn't know this yet, but we're taking him to Talliston tonight for some dinner, and we're staying overnight, which is just going to be lovely. I shouldn't have done my makeup before watching this because I know I'm going to cry. Oh my god, I just love a wedding. I bloody love a wedding, and I love Prince Harry as well. How cute is he? I don't know if you can see this, but I've actually got goosebumps. I've actually got goosebumps. Oh, why is this so emotional? I've got to say, I think Prince George is one of my favourite royals. He's so cute. I just want to squeeze him. Okay, she's arriving. Meghan's arriving. Oh my god, imagine how nervous she must be. Bloody hell. Oh my god, goosebumps. She looks medieval almost with that crown tiara. Oh, it's beautiful. It's very simple.
Absolutely beautiful.
I had a feeling it would be like that, just quite plain silk material. Very long veil train. Oh, this is so emotional. Oh, imagine is she walking down by herself? This is so beautiful. I have just curled my hair, put some red lippy on, got changed, and now I'm eating a bowl of cereal, bowl of golden nuggets. Very excited. So I've just been doing some housework. Kitchen is completely tidy, brilliant. I feel like I've been a little housewife today. I'm going to quickly show you what I'm wearing. I was wearing a different red dress, but then I got toothpaste on it and I couldn't get it out. So that needs to go in the wash now. I've swapped into another red dress. I picked this up in Primark like 2 weeks ago and I absolutely love it. It's beautiful. I love it. It has these big pockets and the buttons down the front. I think it was £13. And yeah, it fits really lovely. Also, if anyone wants to know what I'm wearing on my lip today, I'm going all red. I'm wearing Gosh's lip liner in Flirty Orange, and on top I am wearing Makeup's Forever Artist Acrylic in the shade 300. It's like a bright orange. Talking of Gosh, I haven't seen them in a Superdrug in a really long time. I don't even know if they're still around. That would be really sad if they're not, because they were like one of my favourite makeup brands when I first started my blog. But yeah, I'm feeling very red at the moment. I've also decided, like 2 days ago, I decided that I want a bit of a makeover. I have had the same hairstyle since I was like 16 and I would really like to change it up. So I'm thinking of maybe giving it a bit of a trim. Also, my fringe, it's just really annoying me at the moment. I would absolutely love to have a middle parting and look very like Ashley, Mary, Kate Olsen like, and I just feel like centre partings are so classy, but my face, honestly, if you saw me with one, you'd be like, okay Katie, no, get your fringe back straight away, because I look disgusting. It really emphasises how big my nose is. Perhaps I will show you in next week's vlog me doing like a middle parting so you can kind of see how bad it looks. But yeah, if any of you have got any ideas of what I can do, let me know, leave me a comment down below. I had a fringe when I was growing up, like a proper fringe, and I didn't like it. Like I just don't think that will suit me either. So, I mean, you can't even see. I'd like a Bridget Bardot or a bit of a Duffy hairstyle, and I would like a bit of a trim as well. But obviously I feel like my long hair is my trademark, so I'm at a bit of a loss about it. Let me know what you think would look good on me. I am all ready to go now. I've just got to take some bin bags of rubbish out, and then I'm going to go and meet my family. So we're going to Talliston. If you've seen my vlogs before, you'll know all about Talliston. I've been talking about it for years. It's this house that a guy called John bought 25 years ago, and he spent 25 years building it into the most magical place on earth. So we are going there for a cheese and wine party tonight. We're staying overnight. I've decided I want to stay in the room of dreams because I do not want to stay in the haunted bedroom. And then tomorrow's my dad's birthday. I wrapped his present earlier, and we're gonna have like a vintage tea party at Talliston, and then maybe go for a roast dinner. See whatever my dad wants to do. Basically, it's all about him this weekend. So let's get going. Just got to Great Dunmow. It's a great bit of roof thatching over there. Reminds me of Thatcher Joe. Yeah, we're just walking to Talliston now. I'm very excited. So this is the cul-de-sac, and they're all just book standard houses, and then you get to the wild magical one of Talliston. Here we go. Oh. Magical, magical.
Everyone out. Sorry.
We are here. This is the Scottish Tower.
Yes. Thanks very
Got
much.
some cheese and some wine. Champagne.
To produce a truly intense cheese, firm, sharp and spicy with a rich truffle finish, perfect for lifting any dish to the next level.
Becky discovered the other day that she doesn't like truffle.
Oh, did you? Oh dear.
What do you think of this room?
I like this room. It's got a real American cabin, Alaska feel to it.
Yeah.
You know, when you've just been in
The log fires or...
yeah, you've been in the wilderness for like 24 hours straight.
And what did you think of that cheese?
I like the cheese. It was very
Truffly.
overpowering. It was truffle cheese, but
You're gonna be my
nice.
vlog.
I do like truffles.
That cheese was my favourite cheese by far, so far. It had truffle in it, and I love truffle. Paired with a red wine was just
Yes, because I'm
superb.
Yeah.
Splendid. This is my favourite room.
Yeah.
Try to make it as authentic as possible, and then they thought, well, let's just go nuts.
Red wine.
Looks interesting. Yeah, this.
We have
Yeah,
black
so, yeah, it
cheese.
came in, the wax.
Whoa. Charcoal cheese.
Yeah, it's real wax coated cheddar. Many cheeses are coated in ash, but this is the...
It's like midnight. We've just had an Indian takeaway at the house. Not only have I got the hiccups, my dress is just pinged off and broke. Look, it's pinged off. It's pinged off. What is happening to me? We are gonna have a poetry reading now. And a seance.
That pocket's nice. Pockets are
At
good.
5. See, look, pockets.
Pockets are good.
It's good to have pockets.
You need pockets.
Mummy, how inspiring is Talliston?
So inspiring.
I would like anyone who's ever feeling in a rut to book to email Talliston and book a day here to talk to John and come here, because it's just, look, I mean, look at my background. It's just incredible. It's magical, and it makes you feel like you can do anything you want in the world. And I've needed this in the last week. I'm sorry I'm so drunk, but I've needed this in the last week. So if you feel like you're in a rut, you need to come here. I'm gonna say goodnight now. Night. It is Sunday. I've woken up in the most gorgeous bedroom. The room of dreams. It was just a dream to sleep in. Now I'm going down for breakfast. It's my dad's birthday today. Happy birthday. Here we've got breakfast. It's perfect. We have just left Talliston to go for a little walk. We're going back there at 2 for a tea and cake party, which sounds glorious. And then we've also got a roast dinner booked for my dad later as well. But we're just walking around Great Dunmow. It's so cute here. Want to talk us through your outfit today? What dress?
Is your jumper?
Oh, I gave you that jumper. Where's your dress from? I really like the print.
Sainsbury's.
Too. Sainsbury's have great clothing at the moment. Also, I'm rocking a Primark. Can you film my outfit? And then this little cardigan from Shein, and my bag's from Primark. We've come to a beer garden, and we're playing our favourite card game called Contract Twist. And who's winning? Dad's winning so far. Also, I have the world's worst hay fever today, which is not good. We've just come to a co-op to get the guys from Talliston a bottle of wine and some flowers. And look, I think I did this when I was in Florida on my vlog, but look at this wine bottle. Look how cool that is. It's like Nosferatu, Dracula. This one is amazing. That's very Talliston. And then they've also got, look, the 19 Crimes one that I found in America, which I really want to try. My friend Sophie bought me a bottle of this, so we're going to try that soon. But then this one also looks really good. I would love to have my own wine brand and design all the labels. That would be so fun. I would also like to say that I'm a huge Lambrini fan. I'm like, I just love Lambrini, and they've got a Fake Bake have sponsored the bottle, and I would like Lambrini, if you'd like to work with me, I would love to do that. Who knew I could film so much content in a co-op? But look who's on the front of this. It's my love, greatest love of my life, Ben Whishaw. He's in a new English drama, I think, with Hugh Grant, so I'm definitely going to keep an eye out for this. 3 episodes called A Very English Scandal, and yeah, anything Ben Whishaw does, I'm just like all over. That's great. Look at all this cake.
Oh, I see.
Go
Okay.
and sit down and I'll come in.
Yeah. Happy birthday.
Oh, that's nice.
That's a good card, man.
It's a good card,
really
isn't
good
it?
card.
We've now come to a nice pub for some lunch. I've got fish and chips, which is way too big. I'm never going to eat all this, but it's good. I've decided to stay at my parents' house overnight tonight, which is lovely. I'm here with my Spyro. Spyro the dragon. Oh. I've definitely got a bit burnt today on my shoulder, which is not good, but I had the loveliest day and weekend with my family. It was very much needed. But yeah, I'm going to say goodnight now, and I will see you on Sunday, which is a big haul for the summer, which I think you guys might like. So I will see you then. Lots of love. Mwah.